Hello! In this video, I want to talk about a topic which many of us like, and that is pets. So today we're going to learn how to talk about pets in English. Okay, at the top of the page, we can see vocabulary. Let's read it together. Cat, pig, mouse, dog, horse, rat, fish, rabbit, snake. Okay, and the question is, what animal makes the best pet? To answer this question, you can pick an animal and you can say, dogs make the best pet, or cats make the best pet. Taking care of an animal. These are some of the things that you need to do to take care of an animal. So, first, you could feed the animal. I'll make a sentence for each one. So, you have to feed the animal. You have to brush their fur. You have to brush their fur. You have to take them for walks. Take them for walks. You have to clean their cage. Clean their cage. You have to fill up their water bowl. Fill up their water bowl. You have to play fetch with them. Play fetch with them. You have to train them. You have to train them. And you have to ride them. You have to ride them. So let's make a sentence with each of these animals. How do you take care of these pets? Example, you have to take a dog for walks every day. How do you take care of a cat? You have to fill up a cat's water bowl. How do you take care of a mouse? You have to clean a mouse's cage. How do you take care of a pig? You have to feed a pig. How do you take care of a horse? You have to ride a horse. How do you take care of a snake? You have to clean a snake's cage. How do you take care of a fish? You have to feed a fish. At the bottom of the page, there's useful languages to help you talk about pets. And the question is, talk about a pet you've owned or a friend has owned. And in doing so, you can answer these questions. What type of animal were they? How can you take care of them? What did you like and dislike about them? What did you like to do with that pet? So let me give you an example. Okay, I'm going to talk about my pet cat. Her name was Jasmine. My favorite memory was when Jasmine was a little kitten. She was so small and cute. I used to play fetch with Jasmine. I had to feed her every day and fill up her water bowl. Her cute face is what I remember most. I'll never forget my cat, Jasmine. So that's some language you can use to talk about pets. Let's go to the next page. Okay, here's the dialogue. I'm going to read it for you. Henry, I want to buy a pet. Which animal makes the best pet? Good idea, Josie. I think that dogs make the best pet because they are loyal and cute. Yes, that makes sense. Which animal makes the worst pet? In my opinion, snakes make the worst pet because they are scary and unusual. If I buy a dog, how do I take care of it? You have to take a dog for walks every day. You also have to feed it and play fetch with it. Have you had a pet in the past? Yes, I had a cat. My favorite memory was when she played with my baby cousin. It was so cute. How did you take care of a cat? I had to brush her fur, feed her, and fill up her water bowl every day. Let's look at some idioms. Okay? These idioms come from animals and they can be used in your everyday life. The first one is a cat nap. Do you know what is a cat nap? So a cat nap is a short sleep. Oh, I'm so tired, I'm just going to go take a cat nap. Pig out. Pig out. That means to eat a lot. Hey, what did you do last night? Oh, I pigged out on chips. And raining cats and dogs. Wow, it's really raining cats and dogs out there. So that just means that it's raining a lot, okay? Fill in the blank. I'm going to read the sentence for you and you have to fill in the blank. I'll give you about 5 or 10 seconds to think about it. So number 1, it is not very common to have a for a pet. I suppose this would be snake, but sometimes there could be more than one right answer. But let's say snake. It is not very common to have a snake for a pet. Number 2, you have to dogs for every day. You have to take dogs for walks every day. Number 3, in my opinion, makes the best pet. No, this is up to you. In my opinion, a cat makes the best pet. You can say this in 2 ways. You could say a cat makes the best pet, or cats make the best pet. Number 4, you have to a pig every day. You have to feed a pig every day. Number 5, my friend rides at the farm. My friend rides a horse at the farm. Number 6, I like to play with my dog. Fetch, play fetch. I like to play fetch with my dog. Number 7, you have to a cat's you have to brush a cat's fur, or you have to fill up a cat's water bowl. There can be more than one right answer. Number 8, you have to a mouse's bowl every day. You have to fill up a mouse's water bowl every day. Yeah, good job. Let's put it all together. Everything that we learned today. Vocabulary, useful language. Let's put it all together to talk for one paragraph about animals. I am an animal lover. I love all animals. I think that cats make the best pet because they are calm and independent. Horses make the worst pet because they are big and need lots of open space. It is important to take care of animals. If you have a dog, you have to take it for walks every day. If you have a pig, you have to train it. If you have a snake, you have to fill up its water bowl and feed it. When I was a child, I had a rabbit. She was white with black spots. My favorite memory was when she played with me. I used to give her carrots every day. I had to fill up her water bowl, brush her fur, and feed her every day. Her cute ears are what I remember most. I'll never forget my rabbit. Do you like animals too? In your opinion, which animal makes the best pet? Okay, I encourage you to try to speak for about 1 minute or write 1 paragraph using the idioms, the useful language, and the vocabulary to talk about pets. So I hope you enjoyed learning about pets today. See you next time.